All right, as you guys know, I am literally in love with my Pit Boss smoker. I have the Series 5. I did it on Memorial Day weekend. You guys saw the results. It was amazing. So I'm at Walmart looking for a cover for my smoker, and on the same aisle are these seasonings. I didn't know it, but Pit Boss has a whole line of seasonings. I don't even think I have all of them. So I grabbed as many as I could and I brought them on the show so I could show you. Pit Boss has its own seasoning. So I'm really excited. I'm going to try them out. I don't know which one I'll like. So come on in close. I'll show you the flavors. Then we're going to put one on each piece of chicken and we're going to cook them all and we're going to taste these Pit Boss seasonings and see if any of them are good. I'll let you know because I got a barbecue seasoning and I got an all-purpose seasoning. I've got my own seasoning, but I do like some other variations. So I will try out theirs. Come on in. Let me run down the entire line for you. We got a sweet heat rub, yum. A honey and sea salt, that might be pretty awesome. There you go, Tennessee apple butter. Notice the word Tennessee? What a great state that is. Applewood bacon, and then we have mango, which I don't like mango, but I'm going to try it anyway. I might like it as a seasoning. Mango magic. So I promise you, I won't knock that just because I don't like mango. I'll let you know how the flavor is, okay? All right, so let's go get our chicken breasts now. We're going to season each one of the breasts with each one of these seasonings. All right? These are all the Pit Boss seasoning line. Okay, everybody. So we have all the seasonings lined up here, and we're going to leave them in this order, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicken breasts. We got mango magic, applewood bacon, Tennessee apple butter. And then this one right here, see this one? This one's gonna be amazing. This is the honey sea salt. When I pulled the seal off this knocked me over. It smelled awesome. And then this one right here, the sweet heat rub, is going to be incredible. I think that's gonna be one of my favorites too. So we've seasoned all the breasts. We have all our seasonings in order. So when we bring the chicken back out, we'll be able to taste everything in that order, okay? All right, I've had these in the refrigerator overnight. They were seasoned and they dried out a little bit and now they're ready to go into the oven. So let's pop these breasts in the oven right now. Well, there they are right there. Let me turn it around. This way it's numbered correctly. There we go. 1, the mango. 2, that one. 3, that one. 4, that one. 5 is the sweet heat. I know that. There you go. We're going to let them sit for a little bit. Okay, so let's see what we're doing first. Let's turn all these around so I can see which one's which. You guys ready? This is the mango magic I'm going to try first. Kind of a big piece. I should have cut it smaller. Yeah, I'm going to cut that. Just take a bite. I don't like mango. That mango magic is really good. If you like mango, you're going to fall in love with that seasoning. These are all by Pit Boss, all right? All right, the next one we're going to try is the Applewood Bacon. You guys ready? Here we go. Not very strong, kind of a weak seasoning. Not one of my favorites. But it's not bad. It's just, I wish the flavor, that Applewood flavor would be stronger. Maybe you throw a little maple in there, I don't know. Okay, you guys ready? Tennessee apple butter. Are you ready for this? Wish it was a little bit stronger, but you can taste the butteriness right away, which is really good on chicken breast. So Tennessee apple butter is pretty good. It's better than the Applewood bacon, but not as good as that mango magic was. Wouldn't that be a shock? I hate mangoes, and wouldn't that be fun if that's the best one? All right, this one right here is the one that I thought might be a surprise. It's the honey and sea salt. Let's give it a try. Here we go. It's smoke infused with some hickory in it. You can taste the salt as soon as it touches your tongue. Boom. The saltiness, a little bit of honey. You can taste the smokiness in it too. So that's a good one. The honey and sea salt. Try that one out. And now this one I also thought would be good is the Sweet Heat Rub. It's not as good as I thought it would be. Sweet Heat Rub. So let's run down them, okay? They're all good. But I would season heavier on the ones that are not as strong. The Sweet Heat Rub is okay. The honey sea salt is really good. The Tennessee apple butter is really good. The Applewood Bacon is a little light. The Mango Magic is the winner. Seriously. I can't believe I just stated that because it's against everything I believe. But Mango Magic is their best, in my opinion. Try them all out. They're all at Walmart. I'll have links down below if you want to order them online. But I did it all on chicken breast. I'm now going to be putting these on ribs. So be ready. I might even include you on that video. But the winner is Mango Magic. Take care, guys. See you on the next episode. Love you. Bye-bye.